Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on brsk broadband and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should end to know whether or not this full fiber internet provider is worth it or not. brsk is a UK altnet broadband provider that operates on its own full fiber network, offering a compelling alternative to traditional providers. A major selling point is its symmetrical speeds, meaning your upload and download speeds are nearly identical, which is perfect for working from home, video calls, and uploading large files. With plans ranging from 150 megabytes per second to 2 gigabytes per second, brsk provides very fast internet at a high competitive price point with a strong promise of no mid-contract price hikes. A key strength of brsk is its exceptional customer service and installation process. It has a high rating on Trustpilot, with many users praising the professionalism and communication of the engineers who installed the device. The installation itself is often described as straightforward, with the technician running a fiber line from the nearest pole or underground chamber into the home. However, some user reviews mention occasional minor issues with initial communication or the included Wi-Fi 5 router, which may not be sufficient for large households. brsk is an outstanding choice for consumers who live in a serviceable area and want a reliable, high-speed, full fiber connection at a competitive price. It is particularly worth it for those who are tired of mid-contract price hikes and poor customer service from larger providers. The main drawback is its limited availability, so you must check your postal code to see if their network has been rolled out into your area. For those who can get in, the service offers great value and performance. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.